Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Google Chrome stable current version on Fedora Linux 43. Okay, first open the default web browser that comes with Fedora Linux 43, that is Firefox. Now go to Google or any search engine, then search for download Google Chrome. Then click on Google Chrome web browser. Then select download Chrome. For Fedora or RHL or open source type operating systems, you have to select this 64-bit .rpm. So select it and click on accept and install. Wait a moment, download will be started. If it doesn't start, then click on download Chrome manually. Again select the RPM, click on accept and install. See, download started and its size is 115 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download is completed. Now open terminal, go to downloads. Let's see, here we have the RPM package. We have to install it. Sudo rpm-ivh, then Google, then press the tab to autofill entire. Type in package name, hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, liberation fonts is needed by Google Chrome stable version. Okay, so copy this one. Sudo dnf install, paste the package name. Type for confirmation and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Ctrl A. Now run the same command, sudo rpm-ivh Google Chrome RPM package name. Hit enter. It's fine, but we have installed Google Chrome. Go to start all applications. See, here we have the Google Chrome. Click on it to open. See, make Google Chrome the default browser. If you want, you can select the checkbox, and if you want automatically send usage statistics and cross reports to Google, you have to select the checkbox. Then click on OK. Don't sign in. See, you got the Google Chrome web browser. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Google Chrome web browser stable current version on Fedora Linux 43. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.